Ice Maker and Humidifier Installation Kit by Choice. By Choice Tube and Hose is one of the best sellers among baby accessories products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Easily connect to your refrigerator or freezer. Attach to your fridge freezer and enjoy a cup of delicious, crisp water with crystal clear ice cubes in no time. Great for both on-the-door ice water dispensers and in-freezer ice cube machines. Poly tubing is lead-free and completely safe for potable water, and will leave your water tasting as fresh and pure as before. Set up your humidifier evaporative cooler in no time. Quickly and easily attach to your boiler or furnace, then sit back and enjoy the results. Poly tubing is durable and reliable. Connect your humidifier now and enjoy it for years to come. Poly tubing is durable, reliable, and will leave your water tasting as fresh and pure as before. Set includes 1/4 by 25 feet poly tubing, enough to comfortably accommodate any Ice Maker Humidifier evaporative cooler installation. Complete installation kit includes poly tubing, self-piercing saddle valve, and fittings. This universal, all-inclusive kit is designed with metal fittings to ensure a solid and dependable connection. Included instructions make DIY installation a breeze. No need to turn off water. Easily complete installation without the hassle of shutting off your water supply while you work. Easy do it yourself installation. Includes step-by-step instructions. Limited lifetime warranty. Manufacturer part number 509-5100-R. Make it yours today. Get your appliances set up quickly and easily with this Ice Maker Humidifier evaporative cooler installation kit. Poly tubing is durable and reliable, and will not ruin the fresh taste of your water. This complete installation kit includes everything necessary for installation, plus step-by-step instructions to make DIY installation a breeze. Best of all, there's no need to shut off your water supply during installation. Limited lifetime warranty. Make it yours today.